In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make AI movies with images, Pro Edit. We're turning a single still image into a cinematic video using two tools: Google Gemini to generate and stylize the image, and Sora to bring that image to life. Follow along, and I'll point out a few best practices so your results look polished and professional. Start by opening your browser and going to google.com. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and press Enter. From the results, click the official Google Gemini site to open the app. Inside Gemini, we'll create our base image with a clear, descriptive prompt. Type something like, "A cinematic, intimate restaurant moment where a couple leans in close under warm golden lighting, surrounded by soft bokeh and emotional eye contact." The key is to be specific with style words like cinematic, warm golden lighting, and soft bokeh, because those guide the model's composition, mood, and lensing. Once your prompt looks good, click Submit and let Gemini generate the image. When you see a result you like, ask Gemini to transform it into a stylized version. Use a follow-up prompt such as, "Transform this photo into a realistic painting with prominent paint strokes." This painterly pass serves two purposes. It gives your scene a tasteful, handcrafted look, and it helps ensure you're not using photorealistic faces in ways that might conflict with platform policies. It's a practical step that also adds visual character. After Gemini produces the painted version, download the image to your computer. Choose the highest resolution available and give the file a clear name so it's easy to find in the next step. Now, head over to Sora. This is where we animate the still. Sora can take an image and a text prompt and generate a short cinematic clip that feels alive. On the project page, click the plus icon to upload your painted image. Make sure you select the stylized file you just saved. With the image uploaded, enter your motion prompt. You can reuse the same cinematic restaurant description you wrote earlier. The descriptive language helps Sora infer subtle movements, lighting interplay, and depth. Keep it concise but evocative, enough to suggest camera feel and mood without overcomplicating it. When you're happy with the prompt, click Create Video. Sora will process the image and generate your clip. Processing time can vary, so give it a moment. Once it's done, play it back and enjoy your AI-made mini-movie, built from a single image, styled for a pro look, and animated with cinematic flair.